The games on Tuesday, it's going to be Perpetual against Adamson University. And for the first time, San Sebastian Recoletos against Southwestern University, another guest team from Cebu. So, ito na yung other Powerpuff Girl.
Yes, to complete the trio.
To complete the all-girls team. Mia Kalim, what do you have for us?
Well, guys, I'm also excited kasi first time ko dito again. And, well, for NU, ito nga si Coach Vicente, sabi niya, they are back to zero because daw, ang setter nila, main setter nila na si Angie Sullivan will be out for the rest of the season dahil nga inoperan siya sa kanyang meniscus. Pero sabi niya, confident naman daw sila na si Cookie Salibad will do the trick. Now, sabi niya, ito nga daw si Dindin Santiago is one to look out for dahil daw from last season, mas naging quicker din siya and nakukuha niya daw niya ang timing niya sa kanyang blocking. But for this game, sabi niya, ang USLS daw ay virtually faster than they are. Kaya naman daw, sana wala daw sila mga mental lapses pagdating sa reception. And for USLS, ito nga si Coach Roger Valenzuela, sabi niya medyo daw malaki ang pagkawala sa kanila ni Jove Gonzaga dahil na-injure siya, na-sprain yung ankle niya during the beach volleyball tournament. And sabi niya dahil daw malaki ito sa offense and sa defense nila, they decided to focus more on their defense. Kaya nila in-acquire itong si Reby Dolotindo as their libero. At kung hindi natin kilala si Reby, ito siya ang four-time best libero sa regionals. Sabi niya, natalo daw nila ang NU during the other league. Kaya naman daw itong NU will be playing as if they have nothing to lose. Kaya they are fighting for their pride here. Back to you, Mossy.
Imagine, four-time MVP as a libero and tinalo ang NU, tinalo na nandyan si Jen Reyes.
So
interesting nga yan.
They have something up on their sleeves at this point. Going up against NU, nandyan yung confidence over here at the side of USLS.
Take a look at this once again. Vivas, not over. Aplaska, Kay Aplaska on the line for USLS.
Tiangco Ruth.
Totally closing the door for Tiangco was Moralde and Dolar. Maganda rin kumilos ang USLS. Of course, Coach Roger Valenzuela, one of our, we always say meron tayong mga coaches slash trainers.
Yes.
Ilan lang eh. Sila Coach Kid Santos, Coach Emil Lontok.
And they've been...
Ramil is turning into one.
And of course, itong si Coach Roger has been in, the volleyball world for the longest time.
Oh, yes.
And yung experience, he really has it. And I guess he has titles also to bring along with that, Ang daming championships na nakuha na ng teams niya.
That's true. Dolar, an error on her attack gives another point to NU. NU just up by 1 point, by a point in this first set.
Remember, just like what Miyakas mentioned in her report earlier, USLS actually beat NU in one of the games that they had before the Shakey's V-League. So, ito yung confidence na dala-dala ngayon ng USLS against NU. And of course, for NU, it's a different story naman. What they want is makaganti naman, makabawi, dito sa USLS.
Sabihin nila, dito ka na sa teritoryo namin. So, let's see. That was dug up well by Tiangco. Salibad to Vivas. Partially blocked. And no one there for that for that reception. See it once again. Look at this, and high ball naman off the block, and still no one the USLS side for that ball.
Yeah, that's how important coverage is.
Orindain way up in the air for that push and was successful in taking that point. Nakita mo, bumitin pa sa taas.
Yan yung maganda no? If you have hang time, you have a lot of options.
You have that particular edge.
Kasi hindi yung bababa ka bigla. You can still actually take a moment while you've jumped already and think of whether you'll spike or just drop the ball.
Loving bit on the line to serve. Nice floater. Was dug up by Nepomuceno, Vivas.
In another one, it looks to me that USLS is having a difficult time kapag yung bola nawawala sa direksyon, ano? If it's deflected by the hands of their blockers, or in that last case, tumama sa
Sa net.
tape of the net.
So it's more of the coverage, yung galaw, no?
Yung
Sa
galaw,
coverage.
them moving forward
That's
or
right.
moving towards the ball.
Now it's Delar on the line for USLS. As Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Salibad, giving it to Kai Nepomuceno.
Oh.
Kai Nepomuceno, not enough spin.
That one went out.
Ang layo nun. That was a long shot.
More than a foot from the end of the line.
Ano na bang kailangan i-improve sa'yo ni Kai Nepomuceno? We all know that she has improved a lot. Pero in what aspect pa that so she can become really one of the, best players in the country?
You know what I've seen with Kai, actually, yung improvement that now she's already able to adjust to the different situations. Ano, kapag pangit yung set, in the past tournaments that she's had where I saw her play, may adjustment na so soft pass, what you call that, drop ball, meron
May
siyang
variation.
kalobo lang, may variations na siya. Pero ang nawawala dyan minsan pag nararatel, ano, she has to be really focused and confident.
All right, we'll talk about more about Kai after this break as we enter our second technical timeout.